सबसे पहले बात करें प्रॉब्लम सॉल्यूशन ऐसे की, तो here is a statement: the gap between rich and poor is growing. What problems does this create? What can be done to tackle them? So meaning is, गरीब और अमीर लोगों के बीच में जो गैप है वो बढ़ता जा रहा है। इस वजह से क्या प्रॉब्लम्स क्रिएट हो रही हैं और क्या करना चाहिए कि इनको रिमूव करने के लिए। So what we should write in an introduction? It goes without saying that difference or gap between elite class and the lower class is getting vast or burgeoning gradually or day by day, which could give rise to various socio-economic afflictions. It goes without saying का मीनिंग होता है कि कहने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, ये हमें पता ही है कि गैप जो बढ़ता जा रहा है अमीर और गरीब लोगों के बीच में। burgeoning और getting vast means growing day by day. However, there is a dire need to take certain endeavors to ameliorate, weed out, curtail, mitigate the woes of this inclination. और यहाँ पे हमें बहुत ज़्यादा strong endeavors, efforts करने की ज़रूरत है। किस लिए? To ameliorate. Ameliorate means इसको ख़त्म करना। Weed out, curtail ये same word ही है। Now look at the BP1. How we should start? We should start like one of the main problems caused by the unequal distribution of wealth. Unequal distribution means प्रॉपर डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन नहीं है, अमीर जो है अमीर होते जा रहे हैं और गरीब जो और गरीब होते जा रहे हैं। इज दैट एजुकेशन हैज़ बिकम इनएसेसिबल टू द पुअर, मीन्स एजुकेशन जो है गरीब लोगों की पहुंच से बाहर होती जा रही है। नाउ डेज क्वालिटी एजुकेशन हैज़ बिकम वेरी एक्सपेंसिव। देयर आर ए लिस्ट स्कूल्स एंड कॉलेजेस विच आर वेरी कॉस्टली एंड नॉट विद इन द रीच ऑफ पुअर पीपल। सो यहाँ पे ऐसे स्कूल्स एंड कॉलेजेस हैं जो गरीब लोगों की पहुंच से बहुत बाहर हैं। Due to this, these people are not able to compete for high-paying jobs, and it becomes a fundamental disadvantage for them. Another important issue is that increase in crime rates. So इस gap के वजह से crime rate भी increase होता जा रहा है। As marginalized groups, marginalized means poor people. As marginalized groups often do not make enough money to meet their basic needs, so they resort to heinous crimes or acts like burglary, theft. So this much is enough for BP1. Now comes to the BP2. However, these problems are not insurmountable, hence can be resolved or mitigated or ameliorated or alleviated, weeded out or solved in myriad ways. Firstly, government should develop schemes and provide scholarships that will help people from the poor sections to afford quality educations. So government को क्या करना चाहिए? सबसे पहले government को scheme और scholarships स्टार्ट करनी चाहिए जिससे कि पुअर पीपल क्वालिटी एजुकेशन अफोर्ड कर सकें। व्हाट विल हैपन बाय दिस? दिस विल गिव देम ए फेयर चांस टू compete with rich people. In addition to this, authorities should encourage and endeavor entrepreneurship among underprivileged sect. Underprivileged, again we are come with the new word that is synonym for poor sections, by providing subsidies. Subsidies को हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? Fiscal support और financial support और aid और assistance to run small scale businesses. The government of India, for example, how we can write the example? The government of India, for example, has introduced many schemes to empower the poor sections, such as कोई भी आप schemes यहाँ पे ऐड कर सकते हो for people from underprivileged section that can get easy loans at very nominal rate of interest, by which they can run any small scale business which would help them to raise their living standard. In the final analysis, the gap between rich and poor is widening and has created many problems like an increase in crime rates. However, it is a high time to implement aforementioned moves to alleviate the situation. Aforementioned means above mentioned moves. So this is how we should write task 2 or problem solution essay. Thanks for watching. Here are other 2 videos. You can watch them as well. And if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe it and hit the bell icon for my upcoming videos. And share these all videos among your friends.